Hello family, it's Jubilee. Welcome back to my channel. Again, I want to say thank you for your continued love and support. If you are a new subscriber or this is your first time here in my channel, a warm welcome to you all and I am so glad you are here. In today's video, I want to share to you all a recipe called Tinolang Manok. Tinolang manok or chicken ginger soup is a popular Filipino comfort food that has clear broth. This dish is perfect whenever you are feeling under the weather because it is light and easy to make, but you can always serve it anytime. It is also full of anti-inflammatory benefits because of the ginger. Originally, a whole chicken that's been cut into pieces, green papaya, hot pepper leaves, or moringa leaves are used. But today, I am using Cornish hen and substitute the vegetables with chayote and spinach. List of ingredients are in the description below. Okay, let's get started and prepare the ingredients for the broth. You will need garlic, ginger, and onions. Crushing the garlic and ginger will bring out more of the flavor. Then, put them aside. Pardon me, but you can always skip this step if you are one of those people that don't believe that poultry should be cleaned or washed before cooking. There's no judgment here, it's all up to you. What I'm doing here is rubbing the Cornish hen, including the cavity, with salt, then rinse with water thoroughly. Some people, they saute the ginger, onion, and garlic with oil first, but I really don't want that extra oil in it. The Cornish hen will render oil anyway. After preparing the Cornish hen, I put it in a deep pot, then add the ginger, garlic, and onion and fill the pot with water about 2 to 3 inches above the hens. Put it on the stove, let it come to a rapid boil, then some of the impurities will float. Scoop it out. After scooping out the impurities, lower the heat, add fish sauce, and simmer for 35 to 45 minutes. Don't worry about seasoning it perfectly this time because you can always adjust towards the end. While the Cornish hen are simmering, prepare your chayote. Chayote are sappy that can probably irritate your skin. Make sure to wear gloves whenever you are preparing them. Cut the top and remove the skin with peeler. Halve the chayote lengthwise and continue removing the skin that is underneath the line at the bottom. Rinse the peeled chayote under cold water to remove the sap. You can slice it thin or thick as you want. I slice mine about 1/4 of an inch for faster cooking. For the spinach, I use ready-to-use spinach. You can serve it family style. When the Cornish hens are cooked, remove from the pot, add the chayote, and cook it until you can easily pierce with a fork. While the chayote are cooking, cut the Cornish hens in half, then return to the pot when chayote are done. Adjust the seasoning by adding more fish sauce or salt. If you are satisfied with the taste, add the spinach, stir, and remove from the heat. Serve hot alone or pair it with rice. But because it's just me and the hubby, I served it individually using Korean stone bowl. Two ingredients that I always add to my tinola that you don't usually see in this dish are sweet potato noodles, the same noodles that I used for the Jap Chae recipe, and cilantro. And to my fellow Filipinos who are watching, peace. Thank you for watching the video, family, and I hope that you will try this simple recipe. If you like this video, please like, comment, and if you want to see more in my channel and to help me grow my channel, please consider subscribing. I would really love to get you on board and be a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to hit the bell twice to get notification for new uploads. May the good Lord bless and keep you safe always. Bye for now, until next video, and I love you all.